You're working out consistently, eating enough protein, and your muscles still won't recover fast enough, especially after 40. Here's what almost nobody tells you. The problem isn't your workout, it's your inflammation. And 5 specific nutrition mistakes are blocking your muscle repair right now. Inflammation isn't your enemy. Short-term inflammation is exactly how muscles repair and grow. That's the good kind. But here's where it gets tricky. When you have the wrong nutrition habits, you create low-grade chronic inflammation. And that's the kind that blocks recovery, slows muscle protein synthesis, and keeps you completely stuck. Let's break it all down, step by step. Protocol 1. Omega-3. Timing protocol number 1. Omega-3 fatty acids. Almost nobody talks about the timing window that makes fish oil actually work for muscle recovery. And without it, you're wasting your money. A 2020 study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that omega-3 supplementation significantly reduced muscle soreness and inflammatory markers after resistance training, but only when taken consistently for at least 4 weeks. Here's the catch. Taking it randomly doesn't work. Your cells need to fully saturate with EPA and DHA before it changes how your body responds to training. 2 to 3 grams of omega-3s daily, with your fattiest meal. That's the protocol. Protocol 2. Tart cherry. Tart cherry extract has more clinical trials behind it than almost any other recovery food, and almost nobody uses it. Tart cherries are loaded with anthocyanins, compounds that directly suppress inflammatory pathways inside your muscle tissue. A study published in the Scandinavian Journal of Medicine and Science in Sports showed tart cherry reduced muscle damage markers and accelerated recovery by up to 24 hours in trained athletes. 8 ounces of tart cherry juice or 480 milligrams of extract, 1 hour before and after training. Protocol 3. Glycine-rich protein. Protocol number 3. And this is where things get interesting. Most people obsess over how much protein they eat. Almost nobody looks at the amino acid profile, and that imbalance is quietly driving your inflammation. Glycine, the most abundant amino acid in connective tissue, is also a powerful anti-inflammatory signaling molecule. When your diet is too high in methionine and too low in glycine, that shift quietly drives chronic inflammation. Bone broth, collagen peptides, slow-cooked meats, these are your best glycine sources. 1 serving daily, especially on training days. Protocol 4. Magnesium. Protocol number 4. Magnesium deficiency. This one quietly wrecks recovery, and almost nobody connects it to muscle soreness. Magnesium regulates over 300 enzymatic reactions, including the ones that control muscle contraction, relaxation, and protein synthesis. When you're deficient, a study in the American Journal of Epidemiology suggests up to 48% of Americans are. Your body struggles to reduce post-workout inflammation. You stay sore longer, sleep worse, and your muscles simply don't repair as efficiently. 300 to 400 milligrams of magnesium glycinate before bed. That's the protocol. Protocol 5. Ultra-processed food load. Protocol number 5 is the one most people don't want to hear. Ultra-processed foods, seed oils, refined sugars, artificial additives, don't just affect your weight. They directly trigger pro-inflammatory cytokines that block muscle protein synthesis. Guess what? You can eat perfect protein, take every supplement, and still not build muscle if your inflammatory load is too high. That's not hype, that's science. Remove 1 ultra-processed food from your daily routine every week. Small shift. Massive difference in how fast you recover and grow. These 5 protocols aren't complicated, but they're the ones almost nobody talks about, and the ones that will make the biggest difference in how fast your muscles recover and grow. If one of these surprised you, hit that like button and drop a comment below. Which of these 5 was your blind spot? I read every single one and reply to as many as I can. And if you want to go even deeper, I've got 2 videos on this channel that pair perfectly with what we just covered. One breaks down exactly how chronic inflammation is quietly wrecking your body from the inside. And one reveals 5 specific foods that are spiking your inflammation right now. Both are right there on your screen. Watch one next.